How to embed video into System.io using VdoCipher. System.io is a famous no-code funnel builder used by many entrepreneurs and creators to sell their courses and products online. So let's get started. First, you'll have to visit VdoCipher.com and log in. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for a free 30-day trial and no credit card is required. I already have my account, so I will just log in. Once logged in, you will land in the dashboard and you can upload the video that you want to embed or import it from all these available options. Once uploaded the video, it will take some time to process, and once it's ready, it will come out as ready. I already have uploaded my videos. I will just click on Embed and go to Quick Embed section and make some required changes like the expiry of the video. Add the domain restriction, like if I have added yourcompany.com. Now this video will only play at yourcompany.com. If I remove it, it will play everywhere. I'll also add a dynamic watermarking. You can change the text as per your requirement. Let's just say I have written ABC, now it will say ABC as a dynamic watermarking. I can also change the text color. You can increase the text size, text opacity, move interval, skip between, and once you are satisfied with all the changes, click on Generate Embed Code and click on Make this player responsive and copy it. Now it's time to embed the video into System.io. You can go to the course section from Assets and Courses, and then into the courses, click on Curriculum, and inside the module, we'll add lectures. Let's name it Lecture 1, delay 0, and select any template that you want. I have selected it. Now click on Edit. It's loading. In the video section, click on Choose the Custom Embed option and click on Edit Code and paste the embed code that we copied. Click on Save. As you can see, the video is embedded here, and click on Save Paste. So as you can see, the video is embedded here.